Earth, our mother has always been kind to us. It's time to respect Mother Nature and return all the favors by showing a responsible attitude towards the environment. It's very important to take care of the environment we live in. A very lovely morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi going to present today's morning assembly. On behalf of Shivaji House, 5th June is very special day for us and for our Earth too. Today we are celebrating the Environment Day and its spirit in the most positive way. May God give us strength to rebuild our relationship with nature. Let us thank the God for this beautiful day for us. Morning prayer is a powerful tool to orient our hearts and mind to God as we begin our day. Let us start today's prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes and start prayer. After prayer, taking the pledge work as a form of pre-commitment, and the pledge of allegiance is to instill a sense of patriotism among us. I would like to call Shalab from class 8 for pledge. Thank you, Shalab. We humans interact with our environment the most and loves to stay in a clean and green environment. So it becomes our responsibility to take care of our environment. World Environment Day is celebrated every year to nourish and replenish our Mother Nature. We need to take an action and be the change we want to see in others. And before taking action, there is need to change our thoughts. And for today's thought, I would like to call Vedant from class 8. Good morning to all of you. My name is Vedant. Today's thought is, you must be the change you want to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi ji has said, life never remains same. Who we were few days back, we are not same now. Our feelings, our thoughts, beliefs, ideas are changeable as rain and sunshine, night and day. Without change in ourselves, we become stifled and stagnant. And one more thing is to make the world a beautiful place. We must set an example and implement the right kind of changes. Dear friends, if we want to see a change in a place, we should be the one do it first for ourselves. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Vedant, for such a nice thought. Reading newspaper is a good habit that can provide a great sense of educational value, and it carries information about politics, economy, entertainment, sports, business, industry, trade, commerce, to enrich our knowledge. Here is Suruchi from class 8 for news update. Thank you, Suruchi, for today's news headlines. A good knowledge of general awareness is very important. We should have a good understanding of the things happening around us. And to test our knowledge, I would like to call Viraz from class 8. Thank you, Viraz, for enhancing our knowledge. Every year, on 5th June, the world celebrates World Environment Day to bring positive changes. 5th June is a day marked for nature. It pushes us to think about the way we consume the ecosystem and gives us a chance to take action to build a greener future. And now I would like to call Farah from class 8 to speak on importance of the environment in our lives. Thank you, Farah, for such a motivational and knowledgeable speech. The National Anthem is also one of the most important things for school assembly. It presents a country's identity to the world and it acts as an instrument of unity among its citizens. And it's time to sing National Anthem. Get ready for National Anthem and start. Thank you to all of you. Our planet's alarm is really going off and it is time to wake up and get ready to take action. Let us all try to understand that what we are doing to the nature, we are doing to ourselves. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.